So how do you deal with the lows when it comes to acting?
So right now I'm in a place where I know कि the low will come. For example, Gulabo Sitabo happened. That high was unbelievable. I cannot begin to explain what that time was for me, because I got Mr. Bachchan's letter. I got appreciation from literally everyone, the who's who of our Hindi film industry. It literally felt like my life is going to change. Nothing happened. And fart karke I fell right on my face. Because I had no work for 8 months after Gulabo Sitabo. I did an ad or something.
You said अगर काम चाहिए तो मैं पूछूंगी.
You have to ask for work. Everyone asks for work. I have seen the biggest of the biggest actors, I'm not joking, where we were at a screening and there was someone and there was a director with me and he was like, तुम मुझे कब cast कर रहे हो? And a big, I can't name that person, big actor.
नाम लोगे तो मजा आ जाएगा.
पागल है क्या?
मेरे को लगता है मिमिक्री बहुत बढ़िया करते हो. किसी की मिमिक्री हो जाएगा अभी. आ जाओ.
लोग कह रहे हैं मेरे बर्ताव में बड़ा नहीं. I am राजपाल. I love him.
है ना? It's brilliant.
Oh, लोग कहते हैं कि मेरे बर्ताव में कुछ नहीं बदलाव आया. आपका क्या ख्याल है मंत्री जी?
You're on diet.
Yeah, paneer burji, brown rice, curd, protein.
Big Boss करना है आपको?
मुझे आया था कॉल.
You come from Lucknow.
Born in Lucknow.
Born in Lucknow.
So it's very funny because everyone's just like अच्छा लखनऊ तो मैंने बोला नहीं मैं सिर्फ पैदा हुई हूँ लखनऊ. I'm a full Bombay girl. I've grown up in Bombay, brought up in Bombay fully.
So when did you move to Bombay?
I moved to Bombay when I was this small. Like literally
2
this
दिन की
small.
थी.
2 दिन की थी और मुझे मम्मी प्लेन में बैठा के बॉम्बे ले आई.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely. So I can't even ask you about your first flight experience.
Yeah, because I have no memory. In my head I've made some memory that I was crying or something, but I have no memory obviously.
Acha.
Yeah.
Lovely. So do you visit Lucknow often or no?
No, I used to when I was ये शुरू हो गया है क्या? Oh.
अरे आप जो मानना है मान लो.
Alright. नहीं मैं कह रही हूँ कि मैं लखनऊ जब छोटी थी I used to go a lot because नानी used to live there and then they moved to Banaras and all of that and then धीरे धीरे करके कम हो गया. So now I've only gone to Lucknow for shooting and Banaras for shooting. Otherwise I don't.
How's Banaras?
Oh man, Banaras is, you know how you say a city has an energy? Banaras has an energy, and I felt it this time because I was shooting for something. It was a very special show. And this character is very special that I was playing in it. And then we explored lots of Banaras. Obviously, ghats pe तो हम गए और अब बहुत सुंदर हो गया. But then we went through lanes, like tiny lanes, and walking midnight. And the energy of Banaras stays with you even when you come back. So Banaras was stunning.
क्या खाया वहाँ पे?
यार मैं देख डाइट कर रही हूँ मैं थोड़ा.
अरे यार, you're that kind of girl.
I've become that kind of a girl. I wasn't. बट तो लेकिन मैंने एक दिन
यार ये बड़ा कंट्रोवर्शियल हो जाएगा. मैं बोल दूंगा दैट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल तो तू व्हाट डू यू मीन? व्हाट डू यू मीन?
काट दे
कट फुट कुछ नहीं होता इधर. कट फुट हम करेंगे ही नहीं कुछ.
नहीं पर मैं अभी आगरा गई थी. आगरा में चाट खाई मैंने.
हाँ बनारस में कुछ नहीं खाया था कुछ. यार आपने बनारस का दिन आप दिन यू मिस्ड आउट ऑन मलाइयो. यू मिस्ड आउट ऑन
मलाइयो. व्हाट्स अ मलाइयो?
यू डोंट नो व्हाट्स अ मलाइयो? What is wrong with you?
What is a malai chap?
It is नहीं chap तो it's not chap.
हाँ.
So malayo is I can't explain, but it's a sweet dish. It's a little frothy, and
I can't.
it is made of malai like proper malai.
I can't do malai.
And it is yellow in color.
No way, no how.
Why are you making faces? It's very tasty. I'm telling you.
मैं मलाई सीन ही नहीं है मेरा लाइफ में.
You didn't go to Blue Lassi shop in Banaras. Shout out to Blue Lassi. They're fantastic.
I know. I didn't go. I had some lassi. I was shooting. I didn't want to spend time outside.
I was in Banaras a couple of months back and it was blew my mind. I was like, क्या शहर है? And I stayed there for around 10-12 days, like proper मैं रह के आया.
कहाँ पे रहे थे तुम?
मैं पता नहीं मेरे को अब एरिया का नाम नहीं कुछ तो लोहापट्टी लोहागंज वाले एरिया में था तो was very close to the ghats.
It was so nice. We were shooting and then मतलब पता नहीं कितना information दे सकती हूँ but हम नाव पे थे और बारिश होने लगी थी एक दिन. And it was really hot and suddenly started raining. It was like I was in a dream because घाट के एक तो वहाँ पे मणिकर्णिका है और ये और it's stunning और पीछे पूरा ऐसा लगता है कि दुबई डेजर्ट है पूरा पीछे. So it was just very surreal. We stopped shooting. We were just chilling. listening to music और बारिश हो रही थी, and I will never forget that. It was so stunning.
It was beautiful. मैं
Yeah,
पूरा
yeah.
Banaras, even the so I did you see the आरती in Banaras?
Of course I did. शाम को गई थी मैं.
Oh.
शाम को, सुबह वाली नहीं
You
गई.
should have seen the सुबह 5:30 की आरती at Assi Ghat.
How was it?
It is
My mom was also telling me.
phenomenal. And if you are a chai fan,
हाँ.
the best chai you'll have
You know,
at Banaras is at Assi Ghat, Banaras.
My trip to Banaras was a bit different. It was not about all of that because we were working obviously. और फिर एक टाइम था कि हमारे डायरेक्टर ने बोला था कि just टहल के आओ तुम लोग, just go walk around and you will get whatever. So then we walked and I reached Manikarnika, and of course you want to feel like, oh, life and death, but when you sit there, there is something that happens. And we sat there. There was a friend of mine, Tejas, and me. We sat there for about half an hour, and there were like 4-5 bodies which came in, and then if you sit there for a long time, you'll feel like कुछ है नहीं, यही है. So that was the kind of experience I had because I've been to Banaras many times and I've done the chaat and lassi and all, but this was a bit more than that. So it was different. Very
It's
different.
so ironic that you experience life at a place where death is so prevalent.
Oh my god. And because we were shooting Ganga mein a lot of time, so it was burning all the time.
Yeah, yeah.
And that energy is something else. और वो उन्होंने बताया कि कहाँ से आते हैं bodies. They come from across the world because you attain moksha there. That's what they say.
Right.
So that was really like an eye opener.
There is also this, I don't remember the name, it's called Moksh Bhavan or something.
हाँ, yeah, I know. मुक्ति भवन.
मुक्ति भवन.
तो बेसिकली वहाँ पे इसलिए जाते हैं कि आपका हो गया, पता है वो ओवरबुक्ड रहता है.
Yeah, I know.
मुक्ति भवन is overbooked because
There's only like, I think 20 rooms or so.
Yeah.
So you only have 20 rooms.
yeah.
And I mean, when I was visiting, I thought, somebody told me, you should go to Mukti Bhavan.
Yeah.
It's fantastic. It'll blow your mind. You'll get a lot of content. मैं कहा content नहीं चाहिए मेरे को तू बस बता क्या है.
हाँ, देखना है मुझे.
So he was like, go to Mukti Bhavan, have a look, just go walk around. So I entered and it was very silent place and very कि
you
यार अब
went
क्या होने
inside
वाला है.
or-
I went inside.
Oh, nice.
But rooms were shut.
Okay.
All the rooms were shut except one. And there was a caretaker who I thought, listen, can I see somebody? Can I have a look?
Yeah.
Can you explain what the place is all about? And the guy started explaining कि ऐसा है, and you know, if you want to contribute to something, we don't usually take monetary contributions, but if you want, there's a bank account, then you can directly transfer.
Okay.
Don't pay cash and all here.
Okay.
There is a donation box, so don't pay cash to us personally. Just put it in the donation box and we'll use it.
Oh, okay. Don't tell us anything.
हाँ, and if you want to help people, if you want to send in food, it comes in, we give them ration, everything. And there was one room that was open and we visited the room. And it blew my mind because there was one patient who was lying down almost on the fag end of his life.
Oh my god.
And 2 family members are allowed to stay with the patient.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. I
Who
didn't
will
know that.
take care of the patient. Khana,
Okay.
pina, sab kuch. What they do is they don't give you ready-made food. They give you like proper ration. Dal, chawal, roti,
तो
sabzi.
बनाना पड़ता है.
तो वो बनाना पड़ता है.
Okay.
So gas वैस सब कुछ रूम के अंदर ही है, stove. So you just make that and 2 people from the family is allowed.
Okay.
So you can stay inside the room with the patient and take care of the patient. While the patient don't know if he's
Yeah,
gonna
will die
be
today
there
or
for today,
tomorrow.
tomorrow, next minute, next second. You never know. So I was just asking the family members that, where are you guys from? When did you bring him here? And how long was it? What happened to him? And stories just move you.
Oh my god.
Move you and how?
This Banaras is something else only.
Yeah.
Because when I was sitting, कहीं और ही जा रही है हमारी conversation, but
नहीं,
when I
सही है.
was sitting at Manikarnika, तो वहाँ पे जो helper हैं जो थे वहाँ पे, he started talking to us. And he told, I didn't know anything. I just knew bodies come and they burn the bodies. And he told me, these are all natural deaths. जो accident में मरते हैं, जिनका whatever, the other reasons, they die unnaturally. There is the other one which is called दूसरा घाट है यार वहाँ पे और वहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रिक बर्नर्स भी है.
हाँ, of course,
Oh, I
yes,
forgot
yes,
the name
yes.
of that घाट. राजा हरिश्चंद्र घाट. तो वहाँ पे होता है एंड इस तरफ सिर्फ नेचुरल डेथ्स होती है. और एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ थी. देयर वाज अ मैन whose father had died, I think, and he was crying. और फिर वो आदमी जो केयर टेकर था, he said यहाँ पे औरतें नहीं आती हैं क्योंकि औरतें रोती हैं और वो रोती हैं तो आत्मा को शांति नहीं मिलती. And then cut to literally that second there was a man who's there and standing. And then I looked at Tejas and I said, what about that? He's also crying. So they have such like beautiful stories.
Stories, yeah.
It's really like, it's unbelievable what Banaras does.
It's crazy. I think everybody, irrespective of whether you're watching this or not, I think just go
Just
and
go
watch.
to Banaras and just walk around in Banaras. And especially ghats. अब तो इतना सुंदर हो गया. You can just like go from one to the other.
Yeah.
It was really something.
So, how do you deal with the lows when it comes to acting?
They had this question. It depends literally where you are in your life, in terms of mentally where you are. Sometimes the lows, even if I have achieved 150 things that I want, my lows can be terrible. But my lows can be amazing when I have not done anything also. So right now I'm in a place where I know कि the low will come. For example, Gulabo Sitabo happened. That high was unbelievable. I cannot begin to explain what that time was for me, because I got Mr. Bachchan's letter. I got appreciation from literally everyone, the who's who of our Hindi film industry, and all people wanted to interview me and talk to me. When there's a film with Ayushmann Khurrana and Amitabh Bachchan, and you're saying they want to interview me, so I was on another level. 2020 it was, so no work was happening. Now imagine when you're receiving that much, it literally felt like my life is going to change. Nothing happened. And fart karke I fell right on my face. Because I had no work for 8 months after Gulabo Sitabo. I did an ad or something. And that was a time where I experienced, I mean, you can call it depression, whatever it is. It was something like that, where I was just like, अगर ये ऐसा है तो मुझे पता नहीं. But मुझे समझ में आया when I met the others in the industry. For example, I met Anand Tiwari, who was a director of Majama. I've met Gajju ji. I've met Madhuri ma'am. I've met everyone. I know that they all have this. They all have times of lows, because you're not going to be working all the time. And your life cannot be fully dependent on that. I love my job, but I know this is also part of my job. So what I do now is I really use my time well. I go to the gym, I read, I go meet people, which is a really new thing in my life, because I'm very not awkward. I have a little bit of like कि क्यों मिलूँ मैं? Now I'm just like काम चाहिए तो मैं पूछूंगी. So I've started meeting people, talking to people, and I fill my time in a way where I feel like I'm using it constructively. I watch a lot of interviews. मनोज वाजपेयी ने एक चीज़ बोली थी. उन्होंने बोला था कि जब आप काम नहीं कर रहे हो तब आप सबसे ज़्यादा काम कर रहे हो. And that's how it's supposed to be.
Wow.
Yeah, because when you get a film, and I want to play a heroine in a film. That is my ultimate goal. अगर मैं ready ही नहीं हुई तो वो क्या फ़ायदा? वो आया तो मैं कर ही नहीं पाऊँगी.
Correct.
So this my time when I'm not doing anything, I just have to work towards being where I see myself. So when it appears, then I'm just like, हाँ, मुझे मालूम है इसमें क्या करना है.
Correct.
So now I just use it constructively. Of course, I'm not saying this is a very big answer कि मैंने time I have my bad days where I cry and I feel like shit. But then you move on यार. ज़्यादा time नहीं spend कर सकती मैं उसमें, क्योंकि मुझे मालूम है क्या चाहिए. So, you know.
But very interesting, and I want to pick a point that you mentioned बीच में. You said अगर काम चाहिए तो मैं पूछूंगी.
हाँ.
And I think you had put out a reel or a video or something couple of years back or
Months.
so. Couple of months.
I think last year.
Last year only you'd put out.
Yeah.
And I think I had messaged you or something उसके बाद, and I thought, यार, I've spoken to Shrishti before, and उसके बाद we didn't speak, but then I saw that video of yours and I was like, यार, ये that is very brave of her to actually come in front of the camera.
Yeah.
Not for any show, not for any film, not for any ad, but as a plea for work.
Yeah.
Which was very brave of you, Srishti.
Yeah.
I mean, hats off to you for doing that, because I've not seen any other artist of sorts do that. Because as artists, I mean, I would consider myself an artist only in terms of a podcaster or a creator.
Yeah.
And if I don't get guests, I would think twice कि यार ये वीडियो बना दूँ क्या?
Correct.
कि मैंने 100 emails कर दिए, 100 DMs कर दिए, 100 लोगों को बोल दिया कि इससे कनेक्ट करवा दे, साला कोई हाँ नहीं बोल रहा है, कोई DM ही नहीं पढ़ रहा, DM पढ़े तो सीन जोन करके छोड़ दे रहा है.
Correct.
ईमेल खुल नहीं रहा, कोई ईमेल नहीं खोल रहा, मैनेजर रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं कर रहा, फ्रेंड्स घोस्ट कर रहे कि नहीं यार क्यों मिलवाऊँ तेरे को, बोल देंगे हाँ हाँ मिलवा दूंगा, इसको भेज दे, और कभी नहीं होता. And that sort of changes you, flips you. So it was very brave of you to put that out. What made you make a video actually to ask for work?
I like when I talk about my work, I'm very passionate about what I do and I love it. And I know I deserve everything that I imagine for myself. There was a switch after Majama happened. I had spoken to Anand sir and we were talking about stuff, and I realized that I'm not going to leave one stone unturned. Like, I'm going to do everything under the sun for my work to happen for me. It's a very selfish reason. So if it includes working on my craft, I will do that, which I've been doing. If it includes looking a certain way, I will do it. If it includes auditioning all the time, I haven't been doing it, I'll continue to do it. Last thing is, if it includes talking to people and asking for work, I will do it. ये सब मैं कर रही थी. अगर ये अब जैसे तूने बोला कि तूने ईमेल कर दिया, डीएम कर दिया, ये कर दिया, मैंने भी ये कर दिया, still nothing is happening. Now what? Now I know I have this power of social media and I have some followers, and I know that if I put up something, people will start sharing it. That much awareness I had. And it took a lot of courage to be able to, because I'd been thinking about it for a while, and this is fully inspired by Neena Gupta ma'am, because she had put it out there. And I was just like, karu ki nahi karu. And Akku, I was talking about, my friend who lives next to me, I speak to her about everything. And I was just sitting with her and I was like, should I do it? She was like, if you feel like, just do it. उसी रात मैं घर पे गई, मैंने बंद किया कमरा और लॉक कर दिया रूम और फ़ोन रख दिया सामने. मैंने बोला, आप हटाओ, just do it. Even if you feel awkward, small, little, it's okay. Just do it. Because if it translates into anything, then you will only be thankful. मतलब आप try नहीं करोगे तो आपको पता कैसे चलेगा? It's a real thing. So then I just sat and I did it. And I put it up. And it felt good, after that, because of course I got some messages ki, oh, we feel bad and all of that, which I didn't care for. What I cared for was there were directors who got in touch with me after that.
Ah, lovely.
Yeah, there was
Lovely.
a director of Juk Juk Jio, Raj. He messaged me. He was like, I have not seen your work, but I would like to talk to you. It's very brave of you to do this. I went to Dharma office, I met him. उसके बाद ऐसा नहीं कि कुछ हुआ, but at least some people got to know of me. Anand shared it. Anand is an influential director. He's very good. He shared it. I know it reached a lot of people. So that way, I just wanted to put myself out there. And right now, really, I mean, it's funny when you talk about yourself like this, but I am very proud of myself because I have the guts to ask for what I want. अगर आप वो नहीं करोगे तो नहीं, मुश्किल है यार, बहुत
And the thing
मुश्किल
is,
है.
यार मेरे को समझ नहीं आता सृष्टि, why is there एक तो underlying there is an emotion कि नहीं मेरे को शर्म आएगी.
हाँ, बट वो होता है ना, क्योंकि हमें शायद छोटे से सिखाते हैं कि when you ask, you don't know if you should ask for something, you have to achieve it, it will come to you. No man, I've learned this being in this industry that you have to ask for work. Everyone asks for work. I have seen the biggest of the biggest actors, I'm not joking, where we were at a screening and there was someone and there was a director with me and he was like, तुम मुझे कब cast कर रहे हो? And a big, I can't name that person, big actor.
नाम लोगे तो मजा आ जाएगा. मैं
पागल
बोल रहा हूँ
है.
शो बन जाएगा.
नहीं बने, कोई बात नहीं. ऐसे
कह रही
मत
कोई
कर.
बात नहीं.
कोई
शो
बात
बने ना
नहीं.
बने मेरे को काम नहीं
मैं
मिलेगा.
पूछती हूँ, मैं मांगती हूँ काम. मैं कह रही हूँ मैंने देखा है तो सब मांगते हैं काम. तो शर्म की कोई जगह ही नहीं है.
What is driving you
What is driving me in what do you mean
in
by
terms
that?
in terms of work? What drives you apart from अगर मैं पैसा हटा दूँ
Joy.
equation से?
Joy. It's joy. Because I remember, I will tell you, हम लोग एक शो शूट कर रहे थे, बनारस वाला शो. और वो शो में सब जादू ही हुआ है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है. तो शूट कर रहे थे और एक, I can't even say, basically there's a scene where I'm walking towards the camera and I just like push it away and I go into my room. That's something like that happens. And I remember when cut happened, my hands went up and I was just like, yes, this is all I want. This is the joy of being alive being present in front of a camera. Being present in life only is bloody joy. Now that is hard for me to achieve. In life मेरा दिमाग कहीं और चलता है, but कैमरा के सामने अगर मैं जी गई वो मोमेंट कि वो लड़की अंदर आई है, बैठी है और अपना बस काम कर रही है, but वो एक्चुअली उस मोमेंट में, that's it. That is all I look for. When we were doing Gulabo Sitabo, that scene is only not there in the film. It's a very short cut where हम सब बैठे हैं, आयुष्मान है और ये आंटी और सब घर वाले नेबर्स बैठे हैं, और कुछ मैं बोलती हूँ कि मम्मी को अपनी बोलती हूँ कि टसुए बाहर ही हैं ऐसे करके, और मैं निकल जाती हूँ. And I know that it was just right. The sur was right, the timing was right, because I was alive and present in that moment. और टसुए बाहर ही है बोल के मैं निकल गई. कैमरा वही था तो मैं कैमरा आउट हो गई थी. And I know Shujit sir was standing like that with the hi-fi. He was just like, this is what Guddu is.
Bang on.
Yeah. So it is that feeling of being alive and enjoying and juicing and finding that character. जो मैं नाटक में भी करती हूँ, जब हम स्टेज करते हैं, जब कुछ मिलता है तो ऐसा लगता है कि हाँ कुछ हो गया. So it is that. Of course money and all is of course a part of it. But for me it's just the joy that you get of performance, of cracking characters, of finding a walk, finding a voice, everything. Playing with co-actors, meeting new people. There's so much that happens. My eyes
लेगेसी
light up.
छोड़ के जाने का मन है. लेगेसी में बिलीव करते हो?
उसका मतलब क्या हुआ? जैसे
फॉर एग्जांपल कि मैं चली जाऊँ तो आई वांट टू लीव बिहाइंड समथिंग आफ्टर आई एम गॉन, और आई वांट पीपल टू रिमेंबर मी अ सर्टेन वे कि ओ सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव एक एक्टर आई थी, बहुत ब्रिलियंट काम, बहुत ही आला काम ये करके गई है, बहुत मज़ेदार.
अगर मैं अपने खुद के काम से खुश हो जाऊंगी, इफ आई फील लाइक आई हैव डन दैट, देन आई वुडंट माइंड पीपल सेइंग कि ओ सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव अच्छी एक्टर थी. 10 दिन में सब भूल जाते सब वैसे भी. बट आई वुडंट माइंड if I leave that impact what Irfan sir has left.
मैं पता है 1 सेकेंड पहले ये बोलने वाला था, आपसे पूछने वाला था कि इरफान सर से मिले हो, और आपने जस्ट मेंशन कर दिया उसको.
नहीं मिल पाई यार मैं. Oh my God, that man. I've never met him. I watch his interviews and I just kind of try to understand what he's seeing and how he is and how his mind works. And then I watch Piku और मैं like कैसे कर रहा है ये आदमी यार. It is
unusual.
It is
मतलब पीकू देख लो, लंच बॉक्स देख लो,
कुछ भी देख लो यार.
नेम सेक देख लो, पता नहीं
नेम सेक मैंने इतनी लेट देखी नेम सेक और मेरा दिमाग खुल गया.
नेम सेक देख लो, इतनी सारी पिक्चरें एंड एवरी कैरेक्टर. एक तो उनकी आंख में कुछ है, पता है. आई डोंट नो व्हाट ही डज विद द आईज. Even in Kareeb Kareeb Single, his humor is so like it's off.
Yeah.
That film is off.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But just the fact that his timing is off makes it on.
Yeah, it
It's
works.
fantastic. It's fantastic. मतलब even in Piku, मतलब दीपिका को बोल रहे हैं कि शादी कर लोगी, अकेले रहोगे, अकेले रह लोगी, कब तक करने का प्लान है. अरे यार, it is so uncanny. It's brilliant.
He's so good यार. That is complete control of craft. I'm telling you, it's nothing else. And of course he's gifted, वो सब है ही, but उनका craft पे जो पकड़ है ना, वो बहुत मुश्किल से आती है और वो बहुत प्यार से आती है. मुझे पता है शायद उन्होंने कितना काम किया होगा for it to be like, वो बस इतना बोल दिया और वो it's done.
I mean, it's just a simple line whenever he says it.
Yeah.
अभी उनकी इतनी सारी reels viral हो रही है.
You know what I feel like? I've always told this. I was talking to a friend of mine, Roshan Mathew. Do you know Roshan Mathew?
No, not yet.
He's an actor and he's a Malayalam actor and he's done Poacher right now recently and he's done Choke with Kashyap and all of that.
अच्छा, okay.
He's a stunning actor and I was telling him long back when we were in drama school together. I was like, it feels like what Irfan sir is doing is easy. When I see actors, when I look at them, it feels like it's so easy. जब वो easy दिखता है ना, तब वो brilliance है.
हाँ.
And because when you try and put your feet in their shoes, it is not easy.
Yeah.
It is hard as hell to be able to be at ease and speak. ऐसा लगता है हाँ ये character तो मैं कल नींद में कर लूँगी, जा कर फिर बात करेंगे. So
I mean, I mean, he's making it look easy.
He's making it look easy. That person looks believable, like he exists. That is the thing, and that is not easy to crack. He knows how.
I mean, the line where he says, "There's I think there's one Hollywood film that he done where he says, I think Life of Pi only, where he said,
let
I
go.
think the whole point of life is the act of letting go.
Yeah.
And I was like, shit. I mean, we all know this.
Yeah.
But the way, like the sheer brilliance with which you've said it, makes the entire scene and the film so worthwhile.
Yeah. He's living, yaar. He was living. Sorry, I don't mean it, but he was living in front of the camera. वो जी रहे थे अपने characters, which is He's something else, man. He really is something else.
लवली. एक सेगवे करेंगे थोड़ा सा.
Segue मतलब?
सेगवे मतलब थोड़ा सा कुछ और बातें करेंगे.
बता ना.
है ना. खाने में क्या खा रहे हो आजकल?
You know,
So yeah, diet.
I know. I was in Agra.
Which accent is it?
It's British.
It's British, yeah.
And,
Can I have water?
can I have a bottle of water?
It's
I'm very
not
good
tea. It's not tea.
नहीं.
They don't say the tea.
Sometimes they say.
No, they don't.
अभी मैं आई हूँ लंदन से.
मैं 1.5 साल यूके में रह के आया हूँ. क्या
Oh.
बात कर रहे हो?
Oh,
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Correct.
वो
water,
उनकी
they-
दिन शुरू होती है पानी से नहीं बियर के साथ. आ जाओ बेट कर लो.
Most of the time they say
Water.
water. Bottle of water is there,
हाँ.
but there's also bottle of water.
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 Okay.
बट अभी मैंने आगरा में चाट भी खाई, बिरयानी भी खाई, सबवे बहुत खाया.
सबवे पसंद है.
नहीं, वहाँ पे खाने के. When you live in Bombay, you're spoiled. I am spoiled when I know I can get a Buddha bowl and I can get my avocado.
ये क्या बोला अभी आपने?
Buddha bowl.
Buddha bowl.
Yeah.
ये क्या होता है?
अरे ऐसे बोल होता है, सैलेड टाइप होता है. हाँ, और उसके अंदर
When you
इंग्रेडिएंट्स
hear the name and then when you hear the description.
ऐसे कटोरी है, कटोरी के अंदर सैलेड है और
पत्ते खा रही है.
पत्ते, बट टेस्टी पत्ते.
टेस्टी
हाँ.
पत्ते. ठीक है चलो.
और
I'll take
एवोकाडो
that.
टोस्ट और ऐसे आमंड मिल्क कोल्ड कॉफी. या बिगड़ गए हूँ मैं.
समझ रहा हूँ मैं.
और वहाँ पे
Bombay has
जाके
grown on you.
Yeah, it really is. It really has.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो अब क्या खा रहे हो आजकल?
आजकल मैंने आज
You're on
जैसे
diet.
yeah, paneer burji, brown rice, curd, protein.
ये आपने
वैसे
हुक दे दिया है. ये हुक में चलाएंगे.
ये
सबको लगेगा कि ऐसी बात करती है.
Yeah, I talk like
पूरे-
that. Actually मैं Schitt's Creek देख रही थी. उसके बाद बहुत टाइम तक I started
Oh, what
talking
a
like
phenomenal
Alex.
show. What a phenomenal show.
Schitt's Creek is one of my most favorite
पागल
shows.
शो है वो.
And I became Alexis for a very long time.
बिग
Oh.
बॉस करना है आपको?
मुझे आया था कॉल.
हाँ आ जाओ कहानी पे आ जाओ.
आया मुझे कॉल कि श्रेष्ठ बिग बॉस करना है.
OTT के लिए आया था कि टीवी के लिए आया था? दो है.
OTT के लिए भी आया था और नहीं OTT के लिए आया.
OTT
OTT
के
के
लिए
लिए आया था.
आया तो दोनों के लिए
दो
था, I think.
नहीं टीवी का नहीं आया था. मैं कंफ्यूज कर रही हूँ. बट 2 बार मुझे OTT के लिए आया.
हाँ.
तो एक बार डायरेक्टली कॉल आया था उन लोग से, तब मैंने मना कर दिया था.
उठा लिया था कल उस टाइम.
हाँ. अरे बोलती मैं बहुत हूँ.
आएगा
छोटी
तो.
बच्ची हूँ मैं. चोरी बच्ची हो गया. तो और फिर दूसरी बार आया तो माय मैनेजर कॉल मी. शी इज लाइक बिग बॉस करोगे? मैंने बोला हैं. और मैंने मम्मी को बोला कि मम्मी बिग बॉस के लिए कॉल. अरे इतनी ओ बाप रे इतनी कुछ तो मतलब मैंने कुछ इतना काम किया. बिग बॉस बिकॉज शी
देखते हो.
लव्स.
अरे यार.
शी इज एन आर्डेंट. वो ऐसे बैठ के देखती हूँ. किसी से बात नहीं करनी उस टाइम.
अच्छा.
अदर लाइक स्ट्रेस. बिग बॉस आता है ऐसे देख रही है और बीच में हंसेंगी ऐसे.
लवली.
एंड आई एम जस्ट लाइक और लड़ रहे हैं लोग एंड शी इज सैडिस्टिक. सो मम्मा लव्स. तो शी लाइक बिग बॉस करोगी? मैंने बोला मम्मा अभी नहीं करूंगी मैं. कोई मुझे किसी से वो नहीं है. बिग बॉस के बाद लोगों ने किल किया है. शहनाज एंड ऑल देयर पीपल हु आर किलिंग इट. दैट इज नॉट माय स्पेस. आई गेट वेरी अनकंफर्टेबल विद पीपल शाउटिंग एंड फाइटिंग. Like extremely uncomfortable. So I know I will cry the first day and leave. So it's not my place at all. I know what I love
Puneet
and that's
Superstar
what I
did
do.
it.
Huh?
Puneet Superstar is. Do you know Puneet Superstar? You're missing out on golden content, Shrishti.
बता ना.
हाँ रे पुनीत सुपरस्टार एक बहुत ही क्रेजी क्रिएटर है.
अच्छा.
हाँ उसकी कुछ तो 2.5 मिलियन फॉलोअर्स है. और जब वो बिग बॉस उन्होंने मतलब ही वेंट. बिग बॉस गाइज कॉल्ड हिम एंड ही आई थिंक वेंट ऑन द फर्स्ट डे और कुछ तो ही इज वेरी अब्सर्ड. मतलब वो
अच्छा स्ट्रेंज सा है वो.
हाँ वो बहुत अलग ही है. वो इज अ डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर.
Okay.
एंड यू वॉच हिम एंड ही इज लाइक मैं अभी निकल जाऊंगा. मेरे को कोई मतलब नहीं है. मैं निकल जाऊंगा. और ही सेड इट एंड ही लेफ्ट.
Oh, he left.
हाँ he has 29,000 posts on Instagram. 29,000 posts.
What are you saying?
Yeah.
He's an influencer.
Yeah.
Okay.
And he's crazy. He'll do the most absurd. वो मुंह में आटा लगा लेगा और 500 फोटो वीडियोस बना देगा उसमें.
अच्छा मैं समझ रही हूँ. Okay.
हाँ मतलब
can't,
it's
dude.
crazy.
I can't. I'm
And
not
his
okay with it.
his followers increased after he did Big Boss. Like around 500,000 followers increased because of that. I was like,
See, popularity is a big bait.
yeah, popularity is a big bait.
It's
Correct.
a big bait because you watch, and I know money also you get. If you stay, you get good money. So popularity is a big bait. But माई आइडिया, इट्स नॉट हु आई एम एट ऑल यार, मुझसे हो नहीं पाएगा.
चलो मैं एक बहुत डीप सवाल पूछता हूँ. यू
बताना.
कैन चूज टू आंसर इट इन विच एवर वे यू वांट टू. कौन है सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव? नहीं, ये डीप सवाल नहीं है क्या? मैं मेरे को लगा मैं बहुत डीप थिंकर आदमी हूँ.
ना, कौन है, क्या है, मैं
कौन है डीप? सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव है कि श्रीवास्तवा है?
श्रीवास्तवा.
श्रीवास्तवा. आपका निकनेम क्या है? कौन क्या बुलाता
कोई
है?
निकनेम नहीं है. माय मॉम
कुछ तो होगा.
नो, माय मॉम रिसेंटली, बिकॉज़ शी वांट्स टू बी लाइक शी, सो उन्होंने लिख दिया स्रैस.
सरास.
स्रैस, SRASS. आई किड यू नॉट, आई एम स्रैस. आई हैव नो निकनेम.
ठीक है, आप आगे से सरास बुलाएंगे
और
आपको.
नो स्ट्रेस, ओनली स्ट्रेस.
ओनली सरास. मजा नहीं आ रहा सरास में तो.
तो कुछ लोग सृष्ट भी बुलाते हैं मुझे, बट आई सृष्ट इज वेरी लाइक चैं, क्योंकि सृष्ट तो मिल ही गया.
सृष्टि तो हाँ.
हाँ.
सृष्टि का
उसके
सृष्टि इज
अलावा
सो
नहीं.
ओरिजिनल. तो व्हाट कैन वी गेट टू? कुछ नाम रख देते
I
हैं
have an
आपका.
alter ego. I have an alter ego. My
Which
alter
is?
ego's name is Samantha Sethia.
Samantha Sethia.
Banu Samantha.
आ जाओ.
Hi, I am Samantha Sethia.
Okay, Samantha,
Yeah.
you were sharing a story about Big Boss.
Big Boss. Well, I think it's very interesting, and I mean, I don't enjoy watching the show so much, but I feel like people who go there really have guts. Because if you want to stay there for long, you have to play the game, you have to fight, and you have to understand how other people think and how you think. It's a lot of work, and I don't think I belong there because
Samantha, there's an interesting question that I have in mind.
yes,
There's an interesting actor from Gulabo Sitabo
yeah.
named Srishti. Some Srishti,
No,
I don't remember
if
the
you
name.
say some Srishti, I will not continue with this interview.
Okay.
Her name is Srishti Srivastav.
Oh, you know her?
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Huge
So,
fan.
yeah? Really?
Character break. Huge fan. She's the best. She's born to be a star. हाँ, बोल. चल मैं सृष्टि बन जाती
क्या
हूँ. हाँ.
क्या बात कर रहे थे हम? बिग बॉस के बारे में बात कर रहे थे.
नहीं,
हाँ, आंटी.
who are you?
Who are
कौन
you?
हो?
हाँ,
कौन है
कौन
सृष्टि?
हो आप? आ जाओ. कौन हो आप?
ये
सरास कौन है?
यार सरास मैं बताती हूँ. मैं बहुत ही लंबा आंसर होगा ये, लेकिन
नहीं
फटाफट ये है कि बहुत ही पैशनेट, खुश करने वाली.
क्रिंज हो क्या आप?
क्रिंज इन व्हाट वे? हूँ मैं क्रिंज?
कैसे हो आप बता दो.
ये सब चलता रहता है
क्या,
मेरा.
जैसे फिर से करो. मतलब ये क्या
अगर
है?
मैं किसी को प्यार करती हूँ बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा,
हाँ.
कोई भी, चाहे मम्मी हो, चाहे बॉयफ्रेंड हो, चाहे जो भी हो.
हाँ.
मेरा बिल्ली है विजय, हिज नेम इज विजय. बाय द वे, हैव आई टोल्ड यू माय कैट स्टोरी? आई
Not
टेल यू माय
yet.
कैट स्टोरी क्विकली. I adopted Vijay, my cat, after
Vijay, my
Gulabo
cat.
Sitabo. Gulabo Sitabo. And I was just like, इसका नाम क्या रखूँ? गुलाबो रखूँ, सिताबो रखूँ? Because I was so close to the film. और फिर मैंने बोला बच्चन नहीं रख सकते directly. तो that time I had a friend and he was like, बच्चन was called Vijay Dinanath and maybe he could be Vijay Dinanath. I was like,
Vijay.
he's Vijay Dinanath.
Dinanath John. Hi.
And you look at my cat, he looks exactly like that.
Yeah?
हाँ, angry young man. Anyway.
ठीक है.
हाँ, तो फिर क्या हुई सृष्टि श्रीवास्तव?
हाँ. क्रिंज में आ रहे थे हम.
क्रिंज. हाँ,
Don't
जैसे अगर
forget.
मैं किसी से प्यार करती हूँ तो I call them names which is putaka, so
अच्छा.
I go into gibberish. So that is very cringe, very cringe.
But do you mind being cringe?
I love it.
है ना?
I enjoy it so much. You should see me. I will tell you one cringiest thing about me, which I am also like, यार थोड़ी तो इज्जत खुद की
बता
रखिए.
दो.
अगर मुझे
This podcast essentially is built on stories.
I'll tell you.
हाँ.
If I have a crush on somebody,
अभी कौन चल रहा है?
अभी एक कोई I like someone right now, तो it's past beyond crush. तो
मिला नहीं ये जो आपने किया ना, ये हमें we didn't get the juice yet.
अभी नहीं ना, मैं नाम हम थोड़ी ना पागल है. कुछ तो ऐसे रखूं कि I'm no.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो मैं पूछने दो मेरे को. बताओ, इंडस्ट्री से है?
नहीं.
इंडस्ट्री
Which
से
is
नहीं
great.
है.
नहीं, इंडस्ट्री से.
Which is great, ये आपने बोला. मेरे को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल आ
is
गया,
great.
बट आप पहले कंटिन्यू करो.
हाँ, तो जब भी अगर मुझे किसी पे क्रश होता है,
हाँ.
मेरे क्रश छोटे नहीं होते. मेरे क्रश होता है कि ढा, मतलब माय हार्ट इज थ्रोन
हाँ,
एट हिज.
रख ले तू.
हाँ, रख ले अब.
हाँ.
और तोड़ दे, चल के जाओ उसके ऊपर. तो whenever I'm crushing on someone, my body language changes,
What happens?
which is like, and I'm not that person. I am this person. I'm like chill and open, and I'm just like, stop. This is what happens to me. And वो जो बोले ठीक
दिल
है.
में बजी गिटार.
अरे ओ
Full.
जो बोले ठीक है. उसने बोला वहाँ जाना है और मुझे यहाँ जाना है, मैं आँख बंद करके वहाँ चली जाऊंगी. Not for a second I will think. So that is the kind of.
That's the kind of a lover you are.
I
Are you
hope it
proud of
changes.
it?
No, yeah, no. I really let people walk all over me, and that I don't like. I really
You've
let
given them that power.
Yeah. And it's not only with lovers, it's generally with people because I don't like being. It's not rude, it's just that I know. Let me say it like that. I don't like standing up for. I don't stand up for myself so much. And that really has led to people walking all over me. And that.
मेरे को पता है
hurts.
आपका आपका मेरे को आपका डिमीनर और
हाँ.
आपका जो द काइंड ऑफ रोल्स यू डन आल्सो ऑन सोशल यू आर वेरी chirpy, dancing, doing a lot of stuff, gymming, ये वो, very chirpy, ये वो. But when I look at your roles and even right now, like your entire demeanor, you're like, you can't mess with me. You can't mess with me.
See,
Srishti
that's
Srivastava, you can't, don't even think about it.
No,
This is the line, don't cross it.
You know what the
But
thing is?
Now that I notice, you're I think you're a softie from inside, if I may call it.
Lallu Singh.
Lal-
Full Lallu Singh. I was shooting with Aisha ma'am. So Aisha Raza is an actress and of course you've seen her work. She's amazing. She was chatting with me and she's very intuitive and she understands how people are and she's looking at me कहती तू बहुत interesting है. तो मैंने बोला क्यों मैम क्या interesting लग गया आपको मेरे बारे में? You have this exactly what you said.
हाँ.
You have this demeanor of like I will do what I want, I will wear what I want and you can't mess with me. But you are really bloody gharelu. And aren't you? And I said, yes, I am. I am. And she told me you're a softie and you're a lovely girl and you pretend that nothing upsets you. There are too many things that upset you. And because I really, if I get too upset, then it breaks me completely. So I have to keep this thing which has held things together. There's a reason why I have continued doing what I do. There have been too many rejections and too many bad days. Too many. After reaching good highs. So to be able to sustain this, I have to maintain that. ताकि मैं लड़ती रहूँ यार मैं because I know what I deserve. तो मैं लड़ती रहूँगी. मैं टूटने नहीं दूंगी खुद को बिल्कुल भी. और प्यार के चक्कर में भी नहीं टूटने दूंगी. वो मैंने बहुत बार किया है but I'm back now. I'm back.
Can we talk about love?
हाँ please.
कब हुआ था प्यार पहली बार?
पहली बार अरे बहुत बार हुआ है मुझे
चलो
प्यार.
आ जाओ लास्ट प्यार कब हुआ था?
Last-
पहला छोड़ो हटाओ.
लास्ट प्यार देख
बैड
क्रश
पॉडकास्टिंग आ जाओ
बहुत बार प्यार हुआ है प्यार तो
लास्ट आ जाओ.
No, so I confuse my infatuation also for प्यार, but it's not प्यार. Last time प्यार जब हुआ था वो था
अभी किसी को देख रहे हो?
19 तीन साल पहले.
अभी you seeing somebody?
Kind of. It's nice what I have found with someone right now. It's really
Very nice.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Last
तो-
प्यार 3 साल पहले हुआ था जो था प्यार जिसमें
और फिर
लग गई.
क्यों?
यार नहीं वर्कआउट हुआ नहीं हो पाया यार.
लग क्यों गई?
लग गई मेरी,
ये
क्योंकि
if you
मैं-
say this, then there's a story.
Because
If you say it didn't work out, then
no, because we were madly in
understandable.
love with each other. We were
हाँ.
madly in love with each other
हाँ.
because of some circumstances. It couldn't have worked out.
हाँ.
He wanted something else and I wanted something else.
हाँ.
And तो फिर अब हम मैच्योर हो गए हैं. अभी दुनिया ऐसे हो गई कि हाँ भी अब चाहिए अलग अलग तो अपना अलग अलग करो. But in my world, I belong to सूरज बरजातिया world, which is कि कोई बात नहीं दिक्कत है but I'm here. But that didn't work out very well and then it really screwed with me. और फिर वो जब चला गया तो मुझे लगा कि ये क्या void आ गया है. So that and it stayed. It honestly stayed for a very long time.
Okay.
2-3 years.
Okay, great. Do you think when you are with somebody, whether you are seeing somebody or say seeing one person very seriously, or when you are with somebody or dating somebody, do you think all your how do I put it? Do you think all your needs will be fulfilled by that person only?
Now I've learned it's not like that. It's not like that. Initially, because you're younger and you've seen how in films or in books you feel like, oh ये होता है तो अगर कुछ भी दिक्कत है तो ये. A good thing that happened after my breakup was I really learned how to be by myself. It was very uncomfortable initially and that's why I'd find like random friends every now and then. It was very uncomfortable. In fact, मैं अभी गाड़ी में जब सोच रही थी इस इंटरव्यू में क्या क्या होगा तो ये थॉट भी आया था मेरे दिमाग में. I went to London literally in Jan. My sister lives there. And this trip was a very different trip because my sister was working all day. I had the whole day to myself, alone. I live here with family, and here I have friends and people and comfort. There, when I go to other places, I try to look for, say, oh, this good looking man or this friend. This time, I was just by myself, not looking for anything or anyone, just walking, having coffee, croissants, and chilling. And I can't tell you the joy I felt and the happiness I felt with only myself. Feeling of I have my own money, I can spend it on myself. I don't need anyone to sit in front of me while having coffee. I am bloody good and I mean it.
मेरे को लगता है मिमिक्री बहुत बढ़िया करते हो. किसी की मिमिक्री हो जाए अभी, आ जाओ. किसी की तो कर दो.
मैं बताती हूँ, रुक.
हाँ, किसकी बढ़िया करते हो आप?
बढ़िया मैं किसी की नहीं करती, मेरे पिक्चरों की लाइंस याद रहती हैं बहुत.
हाँ, आ जाओ. अच्छा, डायलॉग्स.
वैसे हाँ.
हाँ हाँ, आ जाओ.
अरे कितना हुआ? ओ जी 13,000. 13,000? हाँ. नहीं, इलाहाबाद से हो ना रिक्शा में? इलाहाबाद से. हाँ. अरे बहुत मजा आया. मैंने भी चलाई. एक वो है, एक और है कि अरे चंपा कहाँ चली अपने गधे पर बैठ के? चंपा, अरे आपने सुना राधा को बाधा हुई है मंजुलिका की. लोग कह रहे हैं मेरे बर्ताव में बड़ा नहीं. आई एम राजपाल, आई लव हिम,
है ना. इट्स ब्रिलियंट.
लोग कहते हैं कि मेरे बर्ताव में कुछ नहीं बदलाव आया. आपका क्या ख्याल है मंत्री जी? अरे मोड़ रहा हूँ, मंत्री नहीं हूँ मैं. Oh my God, oh my God.
Have you seen Chup Chup Ke?
Of course I've seen Chup Chup
The
Ke.
most complete movie ever.
ये सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ साबुन है, इसीलिए मुझे दिला रहे. और वो भी
कहता है वो बैग वाला सीन, बोलता है अरे चल तू मेरे साथ चल. कैसी सी है यार, मेरे बिना चल जाती नहीं है, चल मेरे साथ.
और वो भी तो मालिक
बैग को बोल रहा है वो.
ओ यार.
ओ भाई. Who is your who is your spirit character? If so, I'll give you an example. I think if I were to play Bunny from Ye Jawani Diwani, I would do it really well.
Queen, Rani. That is my spirit character. That is who I am actually, and I feel I would kill it. Yeah, that is who I am. In love with somebody, didn't work out. गुस्से में चली गई, but पता ही नहीं करना क्या है अकेले. And she's like, and she would never say कि खाने में वो है, but धीरे धीरे खुल रही है तो बोल रही है कि chili garlic burnt and वो सब. So that is who I am. Yes, like when I go to other countries, my sister is ashamed of me because I'm just like, here I'm talking like I can speak in the accent. There I become very Indian. Okay. Like जैसे उसमें बोली भी है वो. और I will tell you English Sridevi, that also I would love to play. These are my dream characters. और मुन्ना भाई
तो बेस्ट है
यार. लगे रहो मुझे मुन्ना भाई. आई थिंक वो मेरे लिए बना है, या सिंगम या ऐसा कुछ. तो नेक्स्ट फिल्म मुझे रोहित शेट्टी यूनिवर्स में करनी. एनीवे
मेरे को पता है, आप मेरे को लग रहा है आप वो बढ़िया करोगे. परेश रावल फ्रॉम हेरा फेरी. मेरे को लगता है आप बहुत बढ़िया.
या बिकॉज़ आई एम वेरी वियर्ड लाइक दैट. या फॉर श्योर.
संडे को मस्त नहा धो के आना. संडे को I want to touch upon something that I think could be really interesting, और मेरे को लगता है आप बहुत बढ़िया कहानी दोगे इसके पीछे, which is friendship, है ना. और because friendships change over the years for people जिनको friendship before fame and after fame.
Oh.
है ना. and यार मैं किसको कैसे फ्रेम करूँ. adult friendships, I want to touch upon adult friendships.
Okay.
What would be an ideal adult
I have it.
mature friendship for
I
you?
have it. I am very lucky like that.
Mm-hmm.
I have a friend who I've mentioned twice already on this podcast.
Akansha.
And it's very funny. Yeah, because Akku. तो अक्कू के बारे में मेरे जो दुनिया में और भी लोग हैं सबको पता है. कोई नया भी आता है उसको भी अक्कू के बारे में पता है. बिकॉज आई लिटरली शी इज माई, if this is me, this is her. It's like that. We've known each other from 9th standard. Didn't like her existence, bloody.
है ना.
इतनी irritating लड़की. I had just moved to this school where she was already studying.
हाँ.
और मैं क्लास में बैठी हूँ और मैं डरी. Now I have this thing. Initially ये था. और मैं बैठी हूँ, नए लोग हैं, मैं गाली नहीं देती थी. ये क्लास में लोग गालियाँ दे रहे हैं. तो I'm just like, what world is this? Akku shows up. घुसते ही फर्स्ट वर्ड आई हर्ड फ्रॉम अक्कू's mouth is a गाली. और मतलब बड़ी वाली गाली. No, imagine whatever
में?
you imagine Hindi,
Yeah.
whatever you guys are imagining, it's exactly that. And I'm just like, who is this human being? I want to stay away from her. I hate people who create a ruckus. So she's a ruckus creator in school. और कभी मतलब गुस्से में स्विच बोर्ड तोड़ दिया कि देगा मैंने. So she was that.
अच्छा गुंडी.
Full. Now it's like the opposite.
हाँ.
And so I've known her from 9th standard, and then we kind of like were friends in 10th, 11th, 12th में दूसरे स्कूल शिफ्ट हो गई थी, but she was my neighbor, तो मिलते रहते थे. But we became very tight when we went to college together. So there's a very funny story.
आ जाओ,
okay?
आ जाओ,
बताऊं
आ जाओ.
मैं?
हाँ, बिल्कुल आ जाओ.
आपको sorry यार. तो ना क्या हुआ था कि that was
Thank you Akyu.
Thank you, Akyu.
Akyu कर दिया मैंने.
Akyu, you're a Q
This
too.
is because of you. Akyu.
तो क्या हुआ था कि I was dating this boy in 11th, no 12th, ठीक है? अच्छा अब and you're young, you mess up, so
Of course.
So while dating him, I met this other guy, okay, and I was attracted to the other guy. Nothing happened with the other guy, but I was attracted to the other guy.
This is while you were dating this guy. Okay.
I've messed up badly, and I'm very aware of it. अच्छा और फिर मैं उस लड़के से मिलने में एक पार्टी पे गई थी, जो भी ये दूसरा लड़का था, blah 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 whatever. And then वो BlackBerry का स्टेटस होता था ना, तो मैंने अपना स्टेटस उसका इनिशियल्स डाल दिया था दूसरे लड़के का.
Oh.
So he's also wondering.
How so smart of
Oh God.
Sras.
I don't know why Sras would do that. And then he's wondering what is this, and I was just like nothing. मैंने कुछ तो बकवास बोल दिया, झूठ बोल दिया उसको. अच्छा थोड़ी देर बाद मुझे उस लड़के का फोन आता है कि I know what it is and I can't believe you did this to me, and
This is your boyfriend.
the boyfriend can't believe you did this to me, and shouting like very mad for obvious reasons. And then I called Akku and I said, Akku पता नहीं क्या हो गया इसको, कैसे पता चल गया. I'm crying, I'm feeling so guilty. अच्छा तो फिर अक्कू बोलती कोई बात नहीं, चल नीचे मिलते हैं. तो मैंने बोला ओके, और मैं नीचे गई और I'm like अक्कू यार क्या हो गया. एक्चुअली सृश मैंने ही उसको बता दिया था. उसने अक्कू ने गा दिया उसको, because Akku is a very Akku is like don't mess with people. That is her personality. She doesn't like this jhoot kapat and all of that. So but now she's understood that if I fuck up, she has to be on my side. But at that time she went and told him who the guy was. And I had such
Well done Akku. Because of you we have today's story. Otherwise we wouldn't have any story for now. But thank you so much Akanksha for the wonderful story.
और literally उसके बाद हम कॉलेज भी सेम कॉलेज में गए हम.
तब कुछ नहीं हुआ.
नहीं तो तब क्या हुआ, पहले तो लड़े हुए थे हम, तो we had to like come together since we were traveling together. We kind of like got, because the fight was huge. It was a very big fight. और फिर वो ठीक हो गया. Then 3 years we spent together every day, traveling, eating, chilling, whatever. And now we are very tight. बहुत mess हुआ है बीच में.
किस टाइप के गाने सुन रहे हो आजकल?
आजकल मेरा थोड़ा सा ऑफ चल रहा है म्यूजिक से, तो अभी उतना नहीं आ रहा मुझे, बट आई एम लिसनिंग टू बैक टू 90s. जैसे सुबह मैं वो सुन रही थी, शामक दावर का एक गाना था, गूंजती है जो मीठी मीठी सी, नहीं सुना जाने किसने, वो सुन रही थी मैं परसों जिम पे. मैं वो सुन रही थी प्रेम जाल में. So that is
I
the
think
mood.
you are very Bollywood. मेरे को तो बड़ा
it's
है ना.
disgusting. I'm very
It's not. Why is it disgusting?
No, it is so much that I believe my life is like that यार. तभी तो मेरा दिल टूट रहा है, इतना नहीं टूटता दिल.
मैं पता है हुआ क्या है बताता हूँ. कल मैं आपको स्टॉक कर रहा था.
हाँ.
मैंने कहा हिस्ट्री श्रीवास्तवा को देखते क्या करती, क्या आजकल इंस्टाग्राम पे क्या चल रहा है इसका, है ना. तो मैं देख रहा था और मैं देखते देखते वो भी लेटेस्ट आपका डांस रील पे आया कजरारे पे. और मैं देखते देखते मैं अब ना मैं काम कर रहा हूँ और मैं गाने सुन रहा हूँ. अब मैं कजरारे करते करते मैं चेयर से उठ गया. कजरारे and I'm like what the hell?
Yeah. That song does that to you.
Because यार usually ये होता है कि I know about the guest who I'm interviewing and I know कि मेरे को इस जगह पे direction लेके जाना है, but I don't really prepare a doc or something.
Okay.
कि मेरे को ये 10 सवाल पूछने हैं, ये नहीं, वो सब कुछ नहीं है. It's just very freewheeling chats. तो मैं Instagram में कुछ तो मिलेगा, यहाँ पे कुछ मिलेगा करते करते मैं कजरारे पे पहुंच गया. अब मैं वाइब कर रहा हूँ और मैं फिर वो वीडियो लगा लिया, फुल वीडियो का सॉन्ग, देखा 80 मिलियन व्यूज, देखा आप ये देखेंगे
यार क्या गाना है वो. When I met माधुरी मैम also, तो मैं उनके ही पिक्चर की लाइनें बोलती थी. और वो भी सोच रही होगी कि क्या इंसान है ये, बिकॉज देयर वाज अ टाइम व्हेन आई टोल्ड हर कि आजा नचले की लाइन, ये भी नहीं कि कोई आइकॉनिक, आजा नचले इज माय मोस्ट फेवरेट फिल्म, बट शी इज डन अ देवदास एंड शी इज डन दिस एंड हम आपके हैं कौन, बट मुझे आजा नचले की लाइन है कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि ये लोग नाच रहे हैं, जाओ कूद जाओ, ऐसे कुछ बोलती है वो पिक्चर में। नहीं हाँ कहा, कुणाल कपूर कहता है कि मैडम जी हमने बोला था जान दे देंगे पर नाचेंगे नहीं, तो कहती तुम्हें क्या लगता है ये लोग नाच रहे हैं, जाओ जान दे दो। तो ये एंड मैंने उनको सुना, कहती है एंड शी लाफ्स आल्सो लाइक अ क्वीन, ऐसे हंसी तो या माय गॉड शी इज अ स्टनर। तो और उन्हीं को मैं कुछ कुछ कहती, और एक इंटरव्यू हो रहा था उसमें कोई तो द इंटरव्यू आस्क्ड सम क्वेश्चन और इट वाज द फिल्म आंसर वाज आजा नचले, तो मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा था उस टाइम पे, कहती अरे तेरी फेवरेट पिक्चर तू अच्छा आजा नचले। So she knows. I was so Bollywood
How was it working with her?
अरे यार, she is such a, you know what? मैं बताती हूँ, मुझे जो इम्प्रेशन था पहले उनका कि वो poised and ये वो बदमाश है, she is बदमाश, she is like us and I loved that about her because she really knew, she comes on set and it's alive. Hello, what's up, and she's chilling and she meets you with so much love, she's laughing with you all the time. I think मैंने उनको बहुत पकाया है अपनी कहानियों के साथ, बहुत, क्योंकि मैं, she knew how big a fan I am of hers. I have danced on Aja Nachle in every bloody event and I won things because of that song. And I know how much I love that film and how much I love her. I've grown up, I've danced because of her. So, and she knows. Because मैंने पहले दिन से ही उनको, अच्छा मैंने पहले दिन उनको क्या मिला, व्हेन आई मेट हर व्हाट आई टोल्ड हर, वी वर एट अ रीडिंग, तो आई और फिर मैं सोची क्या बोलूँगी ऐसा कि लगे कि ये लड़की है अच्छी,
क्योंकि ये तो नहीं बोल सकते कि
I'm a huge fan. I was like, out bro, out.
डील ब्रेकर। हाँ,
my first school in Bombay was Divine Child High School. She's from Divine Child High School.
no way।
Yeah, and I was like, ma'am, I'm from Divine Child High School. Oh my god, tak pat,
Lovely,
dosti.
what an icebreaker।
Yeah, it was great. And then उसके बाद we danced together and if you receive compliments from Madhuri ma'am about your dancing, then
of course,
आप जीत गए,
बस खत्म।
तो मैं जीत गई थी वहाँ पे, क्योंकि वो बैठी थी ऐसे सेट पे और मैं प्रैक्टिस करी थी कुछ की, because I, oh my god, too many stories. So I was doing something and she's like, oh my god, you're such a lovely dancer, and I could have fainted at that point because I was just like,
I'm sure, yeah,
bye, हो गया मेरा,
खत्म।
thank you।
हाँ।
एक चीज और बता
मैम एक बाइट मिल जाता है आपका। Has anybody recorded this? What is wrong with you?
एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था जब मुझे ना उनके साथ एंटर करना था फ्रेम में लहंगा उठा के। आफ्टर दैट फिल्म आई लर्नड मेनी थिंग्स अबाउट माई सेल्फ। सो एनीवे, तो लहंगा उठा के आना था। अच्छा मैं उठा के आ रही हूँ तो माधुरी मैम कहती है कि क्या है ये? मैंने बोला क्या हो गया मैम, क्या हुआ? एंड आई वुड बी लाइक विद हर, कहते क्या हुआ? शी वाज माय क्रश। क्या हुआ मैम? ऐसे कौन लहंगा उठाता है? तो मैंने लिटरली ऐसे करके यहाँ तक लहंगा उठा के मैं पीछे आ रही थी, बिकॉज आई हैव नो शर्म, लाज, नथिंग। सृष्टि, you have to pick it up delicately, literally these hands, huh? Yeah. And you have to come back like that. And I was like, oh, I got that. And then when I met her at a party, लहंगा ऊपर करके मैम तो मैं कहती है कि oh, you look so lovely, but तू लहंगा उठाना नहीं सीखी अभी तक। I was like, so it was amazing.
Fantastic.
I learned a lot from her. It's quite something. Yeah.
Phenomenal. कुछ मैं पता नहीं, मेरे दिमाग में भी एक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग सवाल है जो मेरे को लगता है कि आई थिंक यूल डू जस्टिस टू इट। हाउ ओके, do you believe in destiny? Do you believe that no matter where you are in life right now, or no matter whatever you are doing right now, लाइफ में कंपाउंडिंग का बहुत बड़ा रोल है? तो जहाँ इसका मतलब कि आप अभी अगर आप मेहनत कर रहे हो तो अब मे भी हो सकता है उस मेहनत का फल आपको उस टाइम ना मिले, बट सडनली कुछ एक ऐसा आएगा जो मे भी 5 साल 6 साल बाद जो आपकी पूरे 5-6 साल की मेहनत को एकदम लाइक इट रफा दफा कर देगा, एंड इट विल बी लाइक दिस इज योर बिग ब्रेक। सो डू यू बिलीव इन डेस्टिनी कि यार आप कुछ भी कर लो, आपको जाना वही है जहाँ आपको?
I believe in destiny in terms of like what you said कि मैं इतनी मेहनत कर रहा हूँ तो eventually वो आएगा ही आएगा। In that way I believe. अगर that is how I have always functioned. When it comes to padhai also, when it came to performance on stage also, everything. मैंने एक्टिंग इसलिए सीखी क्योंकि मुझे पता था कि मुझे मेहनत करनी है इसमें, तब जाके कुछ बनेगा. That's the way I function. Now it's not, if I feel like I'm going to sit and I know my destiny, I'm going to be a star.
आपको
I
और
know
घर
it
में
will
बैठ
not
के थोड़ी
happen.
कुछ होगा.
It will not happen for me. Some people it happens also. Some people I feel
Oh.
like it just comes to them. It's like a gift to them. For me, it's never been a gift. For me, it's always like, tu kar, tu blinders pehen, you work your ass off, it will come. And I enjoy it actually. I really enjoy this मजदूरी कि मेहनत कर रहे हैं, लोगों से बात कर रहे हैं, कोशिश कर रहे हैं, और फिर वो आता है तो लगता है कि ये I earned it. So that way I really believe in destiny, because I feel my dad keeps saying to me, he has been telling me this since I was little, कि लगे रहो बेटा, लगे रहो, जब आएगा तब आएगा, लेकिन तुम अपनी तरफ से तो दुनिया में डाल रही हो ना कि तुमने इतना काम किया.
मैंने सुना. Anyway, carry on.
So ये चीज़ मेरे दिमाग में बचपन से रही है, लगे रहो, क्योंकि I know what he means by that. I have seen it in other aspects of my life. I have seen it in my education aspect of my life. कि मैं पहले I wasn't maybe that bright, and then when I worked really hard, I understood things, I scored, I topped everything I did. And I knew I can achieve things. It pushed me more. This is a tough journey that I am on.
Right.
I have gotten gratification at some points. Now I'm working a lot more because I know that there is this. वो होता है ना, वो एक फोटो है इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने देखी थी, जिसमें एक आदमी ऐसे दीवार तोड़ रहा है, उस तरफ सोना है, ठीक है, इतना सा दीवार बचा होता है और वो चला जाता है,
गिव अप कर
वापस.
देता है.
बस वो उतना कर लेता तो बस आ गया था.
हाँ.
तो मुझे देर आर रोंगटे खड़े हो रहे बोलते बोलते, बट देर आर डेज वेर आई फील लाइक, जब आपका फोन गुम जाता है लगता नहीं कि यही तो था, कहाँ चला है. देर आर डेज वेर आई फील लाइक बस वो एक पतली सी दीवार है, वो हटने की देरी है, आ जाएगा. So
Lovely.
I'm positive about that.
Lovely. And I've heard from my parents that direction matters more than speed.
Yeah.
So if you're in the wrong direction and you're running fast, you're going that much far from your goal.
Oh my God, yeah.
But if you're in the right direction, and even if you're a
Even if you're
turtle or a
slow,
tortoise or whatever, you'll reach there.
Yeah.
So I think direction matters over speed. And I mean, it holds true for life.
Yeah. Absolutely.
How was it on the sets of Girls Hostel?
पागलपन यार, सब पागल.
Mad.
Madness. And we were really learning from each other. Actually, Parul and I really bonded on Girls Hostel. Ehsaas I knew from before, and Ehsaas is like me also in some ways. But Parul and I are different girls. And we connected very mentally on a beautiful level. तो हमारी दोस्ती हो गई, हमारी बातें हो गई in terms of ये लड़के हुआ या काम हुआ. And I was really inspired by her because where I know her story, where she's come from, what she's done, how she's groomed herself, how she's made this business into this freaking, she's making a lot of money, and it's her and her mom who started it.
Yeah.
So Parul has inspired me to another level. Every time I meet her, I'm just like, you are something else. To be able to do that, and I know she loves performance, so she's also figuring that out. So that way I'm in awe of her. Absolutely love her. So we really bonded on Girls Hostel. Yeah.
Lovely. Behatareen. I think we've
Zala
discussed... Zala.
Okay.
I think we've discussed like a fair bit of acting, of rejections, of money, career,
Gossip.
boyfriends,
I can't believe
Parties.
मैंने boyfriend कहानी बता दी.
Akku, thank you so much for existing in Sras's life. Because of you, we have had so many stories.
That is true.
And obviously about Parul and Ehsaas and a bunch of other people.
Yeah.
There has been so much value add, and you've been so chirpy throughout. Thank you so much, Srishti, for being on the show.
Thank you.
And यही एक्सेंट में आप बता दो कि आपको शो पे आके कैसा लगा, एकदम रॉ अनफिल्टर्ड कैसा लगा
अब
बता
मैं
दो.
एक्सेंट में रॉ अनफिल्टर्ड नहीं
ठीक है,
बताऊंगा.
रॉ जैसे हाँ,
तो मैं
जैसे हाँ, आ जाओ.
ये नीचे मिला मुझे.
आ जाओ हाँ.
और जनरली क्या होता है, when you meet someone who is going to interview or ask you questions, so there is a small talk that always happens before you meet, before you sit here. इस आदमी ने एक चौड़ा नप्पू न कुछ नहीं किया, सीधा मैं यहाँ आई हूँ, हम सोफे पे बैठ गए, we started talking, which is the first time it's ever happened. It's never happened like this, and it was very nice because it felt like we were saving all this that's coming out of my mouth. We were saving this energy, and it really helped us to go through times of कि अच्छा शुरू में धीरे धीरे करके and then it became a give and take
Lovely.
situation. Yeah. So I had a great time, very unexpected. He's made me say things that I will never say about my past drinking and boys. So I had a great time.
Thank you so much, guys, for watching the entire episode. I will link her Instagram, Twitter, Tinder, Bumble, everything in the description. Please go check her out. Please right swipe on her. And
Right swipe?
Right swipe भी तो होता है.
मैं किसी ऐप पे नहीं हूँ, by the way.
ठीक है, we'll find that out.
Delete कर दिया मैंने, delete कर दिया.
हाँ, अरे यार ये तो मैं पूछा ही नहीं.
चल.
फटाफट से बताओगे क्या क्यों डिलीट किया था?
क्यों डिलीट किया था? बकरा था dude.
क्यों?
It's
कोई ढंग के
really
लड़के नहीं थे?
No, firstly तो ढंग के लड़के तो दूर तक नहीं है कहीं भी.
कहीं भी तो गलत बात है यार.
Very few.
ये तो बहुत
Guys,
गलत बात.
men, what is happening, guys? I'm a little concerned here because what is the problem with commitment? Can you please explain to me? Personal हो गए. But what happened on the app was I was just like, पता है क्या हो रहा था? अगर कोई भी interesting लगा, मैच हुआ, हाय हेलो के आगे कोई बात ही नहीं हो रही थी. तो मैं
But Tinder पे you would not make the move.
I've not been on Tinder. I was on Raya.
अच्छा वो celebs वाला.
I was on
अच्छा.
Raya, not on Tinder,
तो-
Bumble, nothing.
अच्छा celebrity vibe बनाओ ये.
Imagine वहाँ पे भी अगर इंटरेस्टिंग नहीं मिला तो कुछ सोचने की बात है दोस्तों.
Think about it. We'll leave you with that thought. What's the problem with commitment? And if you like the episode, please comment down your favorite part from the episode in the comment section. And I will see you guys next Friday at 6 p.m. Till then, it's a wrap. Thank you so much, guys.